I was the girl who never believed that I like English, because I was the girl who believed that I love English. And my differentiation between the love and like was that whenever you like a flower, you pluck it and keep it with yourself. But whenever you love a flower, you garden it daily, you water it daily, and that was I. Because when you love something, when you like something, you just like it. You don't want to achieve that. But when you love something, you want to achieve that, and you want to have that thing. And that was me. Yes, that was me. The experiences was really tough from my life, because from a childhood, I really love English. And my parents wanted me to get admission in English Institute after my matric, but my passion was really like getting high day by day, because I wanted to get admission early, and they were not letting me, because they said that your study will get effect on that, so they were not letting me. Then the time was passing, and then I convinced my mother in some way or the other, and then they let me to go whatever I wanted to do. When I took admission in my institute, believe me, it was really a tough time, because the situation for me was really strange. Standing in front of the boys and girls and presenting my opinions, it was really tough, because I was the girl who had lack of confidence, who never faced the people, who never faced the boys to stand in front of them and to talk with them. And today you can see me that I've overcome my all fear, and today I'm standing in front of you all, can elaborate my perspectives about my life of journey, my journey of life in this institute. When I came to this institute, girls and boys were sitting, I was unable to talk to them, and even my fear was that what if they ask me a question and I'm unable to give them the answer. It was really tough time for me. I went to my home and I cried a lot that what I was expecting from myself, my presentations are not going very good. What's the reason? Then I saw my face in the mirror and I talked to myself. I still remember what I said. I said, I cannot wait for the miracle to come and make me able to do whatever I want to do, to speak in English. But I have to do whatever I want to do by myself. I stood up. I still remember I stood up and I said, I have to do this. I took a page and I write this sentence on 10 times that I have to do this, I have to do this, I have to do this. And today, I'm able to talk in front of you all people. I've overcome my all fears. This life is really tough. This life is a test and trials, and tests are trials which are never supposed to be easy. So never expect ease from trial. If you're expecting ease from life, then life will give you a lemon, you make a lemonade. Then you should not blame life for that, because you were expecting ease from a trial. We all have this problem in our life. We always expect ease from a trial. We always expect from the people. You don't have to look good for the people. You don't have to be perfect just because other people want you to be perfect. If your soul is perfect from within, this is all right. This is all what you want to be or need to be. Thank you so much.